Hey everyone, welcome back to Minimal Earth Life, where smart design meets sustainability. Still using those disposable air spray cans that run out after just a few bursts? Not only do they waste money, they also add unnecessary waste to the planet. It's time for a cleaner, greener alternative. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best rechargeable air dusters, powerful tools that replace single-use air cans with long-lasting, energy-efficient performance. All the products mentioned are linked below in the description if you want to check prices or learn more. Now, let's dive into the list. Number 5. Wolfbox MF50 Compressed Air Duster. The Wolfbox MF50 is a compact yet mighty cleaning tool for anyone looking to ditch disposable air cans for good. It features a turbofan that spins up to 110,000 RPM with 3 adjustable speeds, allowing you to switch between gentle and powerful cleaning in seconds. Weighing only 0.45 pounds, it's super lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. Plus, the included lanyard makes it handy for both home and travel. With 4 interchangeable nozzles, you can clean everything from keyboards and cameras to car interiors. It recharges fully in about 3.5 hours via Type-C, and the battery lasts up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, a solid balance of power and efficiency. Pros: compact, lightweight, and long battery life. Cons: might not handle heavy-duty cleaning as well. Best for everyday home users who want a portable, eco-friendly cleaning tool. Final verdict: the Wolfbox MF50 is a practical, reusable choice for anyone ready to move beyond wasteful air cans. Number 4. Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster. If you want more muscle, the Wolfbox MF100 steps it up. It runs on a brushless motor that reaches up to 150,000 RPM and delivers wind speeds up to 45 meters per second, easily blowing out dust from deep corners and tight spaces. With 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, it's versatile enough for electronics, cars, or workshop use. The Type-C charging port gets it to full power in about 2.5 hours, giving up to 100 minutes of runtime per charge. Pros: powerful airflow and multiple attachments for precision cleaning. Cons: slightly heavier and pricier than smaller models. Best for home or office users who want pro-level performance and durability. Final verdict: the MF100 combines raw power with smart efficiency, built for people who clean often and clean deeply. Number 3. Frestle 100,000 RPM Electric Air Duster. If you want balance between price, power, and convenience, Frestle delivers. Its 100,000 RPM motor offers 3 airflow speeds suitable for everything from delicate gadgets to car vents. A built-in LED light and display screen shows battery level and speed mode, helping you clean dark or hard-to-reach areas. The 7,500 mAh battery lasts about 40 minutes and recharges in under 4 hours with a Type-C cable. Pros: smart display, built-in light, compact and ergonomic design. Cons: battery could be longer for large jobs. Best for everyday users who need an affordable, easy-to-use duster for regular cleaning. Final verdict: the Frestle Air Duster is a smart, budget-friendly choice that adds visibility and comfort to every cleaning session. Number 2. Zova 130,000 RPM Cordless Electric Air Duster. Next up, Zova, a powerhouse in a lightweight frame. Its 130,000 RPM motor creates airflow up to 52 meters per second, enough to blast away even years of built-up dust. With 4 speed settings, 6 nozzles, and 10 detailing brushes, it's one of the most complete cleaning kits out there. Powered by an 8,000 mAh battery, it runs up to 120 minutes and recharges in 2.5 hours via Type-C. Pros: outstanding power, lots of accessories, great portability. Cons: can be loud at max speed. Best for users who want strong, versatile performance from one device. Final verdict: the Zova Air Duster blends pro-level strength with thoughtful design, perfect for home, car, or travel. Number 1. Vasen 260,000 RPM Cordless Electric Air Duster. Topping the list is the Vasen Electric Air Duster, built for those who want nothing short of extreme performance. Its 260,000 RPM brushless motor creates intense airflow up to 45 meters per second, easily removing stubborn dust or debris. It comes with 3 speed levels, 5 nozzles, a cleaning brush, and a storage bag. The 0.68-pound body remains surprisingly light, while the liquid silicone grip keeps it comfortable to hold during long sessions. It recharges in just 3 hours via Type-C and runs up to 150 minutes on low mode. Overheat protection adds safety for continuous use in any condition. Pros: extreme power, long runtime, multi-use for cleaning and inflating. Cons: high power can drain battery faster on top settings. Best for users who need pro-grade cleaning strength for home, workshop, or car detailing. Final verdict: the Vasen Air Duster is an absolute powerhouse, efficient, reliable, and built to last. So, those were our top 5 best rechargeable air dusters of 2025. Powerful, reusable, and eco-friendly alternatives to disposable cans. If this video helped you discover your next cleaner, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest sustainable tech picks. All product links and updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching Minimal Earth Life, where cleaner living meets smarter choices.